Welcome to presentation tip number 49. Open strong. Don't begin talking to the audience while you are walking to the stage, and don't start with introducing yourself. They know who you are. Enter quietly with a confident stride and find your place at the podium or wherever you will be speaking from. Then, take a moment or two to make eye contact with the audience, smile, and take a deep, calming breath. This will help center you and allow you to begin your presentation in a strong, confident way.